Content marketing is one of the most powerful ways to promote a business, brand, or product. However, creating engaging content in a cost-effective manner is one of the most time-consuming tasks for any business. Outsourcing content creation can be costly, which often results in mediocre content that requires hours of editing. This video will uncover how making a small investment in artificial intelligence (AI) technology can enable anyone to create quality, value-added content, in a fraction of the time and at a lower cost. While there are many tools that businesses can use to market their products more efficiently, artificial intelligence is quickly becoming one of the best options for both small and big marketers. The modern concept of AI technology has been around since 1956, when Arthur Samuel first created his checkers playing program. In fact, the idea itself can be traced as far back as 1739 in Karel Čapek's play RUR, which he wrote in Czech, Rossum's Universal Robots. However, it has only been recently that we have seen an increase in interest from companies worldwide about how they could benefit from this technology. The increased interest in AI technology has been fueled by recent advancements in powerful computing and highly sophisticated algorithms that make AI accurate and fast. A brief introduction to artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the capability of a machine to simulate intelligent behavior in human cognitive processes such as learning, reasoning, and self-correction. AI is a computer program that uses software code to learn and develop high-level tasks that normally require human intelligence. This includes the ability to understand language, communicate with humans using natural language, and perform tasks like playing chess or driving cars. At the lowest computational level, machine learning (ML) uses computer algorithms to parse data sets and learn patterns from the data. Advances in machine learning make it possible for computers to study data sets, examine their findings, and identify patterns just like humans do. 4 critical ways AI can boost your business's content-based marketing strategy right now. 1. Find out what your audience is interested in. 2. Use AI to find related topics and keywords. Point 3. Create compelling value-added content. Point 4. Analyze existing content effectiveness. Artificial intelligence can help you understand what your target audience's interests are. Nowadays, it can be hard to find topics that will drive traffic and get a lot of engagement. Increasing traffic is a challenging task that requires much effort. You have to be creative with your articles, write in-depth posts, and come up with new topics all the time. The internet is saturated with content, and it's getting more challenging to come across a topic or headline that isn't written about hundreds of times before. One of the best ways to find topics your customers are interested in is by using artificial intelligence. It is tough to write compelling content without knowing your audience. If you want to be successful at writing, you must know your audience. Without knowing who will read what you're writing, you can't write effectively. AI can help you better understand your audience, which leads to increased sales and more conversions. Artificial intelligence software makes it easier than ever for business owners to understand their customers and develop marketing campaigns around who they are, where they live, what they do, etc. This is one of the best ways to maximize your profits in today's economy. Leveraging AI to find related topics and keywords. The search for the perfect words is difficult, but artificial intelligence (AI) is making it much more manageable. Through keyword research, AI helps marketers make sure they are using the correct phrases to optimize their content. Artificial intelligence helps marketers with keyword research, ensuring you're using the correct phrases to optimize your content. Artificial intelligence software can not only pull keywords from the content on your website but also allows you to do keyword research and analyze your headline to make sure it is optimized for the best SEO. IBM Research uses AI to help writers formulate exciting sentences and paragraphs that are grammatically correct. The technology builds on recent advances in natural language translation. It has been enhanced by machine learning to make decisions based on statistical correlations between word choices and denotations of meaning. AI for content generation. AI-powered software tools can save organizations precious hours every week by letting artificial intelligence produce high-quality marketing copy for your business or project. AI bots using machine learning algorithms and natural language processing techniques to generate unique, engaging text for any purpose, from blog posts to web pages, emails, or social media updates, at lightning speed. With the emergence of artificial intelligence in recent years, many new tools can improve how we write content. While some AI programs have been known to produce a lot of gibberish text, others have created quite interesting pieces on various topics. Several tools can help you create content, such as articles and blog posts in seconds. These days, it's common to find AI-generated content. Several websites help people generate things like blog posts and social media updates. Analyze existing content. Artificial intelligence (AI) technology is now available for analyzing existing blog posts or web pages to determine where improvements should be made before posting additional articles or updating existing ones. Artificial intelligence is capable of scanning your existing content and identifying the topics or themes that get the most traffic and engagement. Extracting meaning from unstructured content like blogs, emails, and social media posts is a labor-intensive process when done manually. In the past, these types of tasks required a highly skilled individual to write custom scripts and databases to extract a basic level of analytics. When stripped to their essential parts, web pages are just strings of texts. Analyzing that text can reveal words vital to engagement. Using AI, you can analyze large amounts of text in seconds to see how well optimized it is for engagement, coherency, and keywords to improve user experience. This analysis will help you better understand what people are looking for, to create a post that will resonate with them. You'll also know which topics need improvement, so you don't have to guess anymore. Conclusion. AI has come a long way in recent years and has reached a level that can help content marketers. If you're looking for a way to save time and money while still creating compelling content, artificial intelligence might be the answer. The benefits of using artificial intelligence are endless, from saving hours on tasks like keyword research to generating fresh ideas that will resonate with your audience. With AI, you'll never have to worry about spending too much time researching topics again or hiring expensive writers who don't know your business as well as you do. You'll also get access to powerful features like sentiment analysis and keyword research tools that will make it easier than ever before to find new customers online. Want more proof? This video was produced in just a few minutes using 3 AI software programs. If you would like more information, I have left some links in the description below. So, where will you use AI to make your content creation process more efficient? Let us know in the comments.